Wish you a very good morning, students. Hope you all are fit. Students, today we are going to read a new literature topic, that is Simran's New School, and in this topic we are going to read about a child's first day in her school, and the name of that child is Simran. It was Simran's first day at her new school, and she is excited also, and she's little worried also that it's her first day in her new school. So what's gonna happen there? Will she be able to make new friends, or someone may laugh at her? All these things goes on in her mind, and her mother assures her about everything, that she will be able to make new friends, and some weird things are going in her mind, like they may laugh at her because she has worn glasses. So when she enters the room, enters the school, what happens? Let us have a look. Simran entered the class and sat down quietly because she knows no one there. And then one of the students, a girl, came up to her and she wishes her. She says, "Hello, I am Richa. You must be new here." Then Simran also says hi, and she tells her, yes, today it's her first day in this school. And then Richa tells her to come along so that she can introduce her to other students. Then on the next page, a boy in a wheelchair entered the class. He is also one of the classmates. Hello, Richa. Hi, Robin. Meet Simran. She is our new friend. Then Robin also wishes Simran, saying hi, and he welcomes her in their new class, and he also assures that they will have lots of fun together. And Simran says she also hopes so, right? Just then their teacher, Mrs. Sinha, entered the classroom, and she wishes all the children good morning. I see we have new student. Then Richa says, yes ma'am, we have already become friends. Then Simran is thinking, by the time I am happy, no one said anything about my glasses. So here we see that she is very much conscious about her spectacles, that no one make fun of her. Robin has so many friends. Simran observes that there are so many students around Robin, sitting around Robin, and they have surrounded him. So she feels that Robin has so many friends, and then Richa says that he is very good, he is kind and friendly, and he is also a great actor. And Robin has won a prize on annual day for his best acting. Now see what happens. Later Simran saw two more students wearing glasses. So now Simran is little a bit in the comfort zone. Why? She has seen students like her, they also have worn glasses. Okay, I think I'm going to love my new school. I have already made some friends. Then she went back to home. Everybody wishes each other, says bye. Okay. Then Simran came back home. She was happy and excited. Hello, Simran. How was your day? So her mother asked how was her day in the school. Then Simran happily says, I love my new school, Mama. Simran told her mother all about her first day at school. She tells her about her friends and whatever happens in the school. I made many friends. Richa and Robin are very nice. Robin is kind and friendly. Everyone likes him. So her mother feels happy for her and she says, I'm glad to hear that. Any guess what, Mummy? No one said anything about my glasses. So this was the chapter. Here we have exercise part given on page number 10. In part A, you have to match the columns to make sentences. So it has been solved for you. On the next page, page 11, we have part E, circle the odd one out. Here we have polite, rude, friendly, well-mannered. So, odd word is rude. Similarly, you have to do other ones also. In part F, write the names of 4 of your friends. So this you have to do yourself. You need to write the name of your friends and you have to describe them using the words given in the help box, right? In part G, read these words aloud and underline the silent letters in them. Like in number 1, we have wrong. Here you can see W has not been pronounced while speaking it. Okay, it is silent. In the word knock, K is silent. In knee, K is again silent. In the same way, in all these words, few letters are silent. Okay. On page 12, we have part H. Tick the sets of words that are in alphabetical order, cross the ones that are not. As you would have seen dictionary also, that whenever you need to find out the words, you will have to find them alphabetically. So here we can see the words friends, home, school, teacher. These 4 are written alphabetically and 2 and 3 are not in order. Then number 4 again Daisy, Lily, Marigold, Rose. These are written alphabetically. In part I, you need to make smiley face and sad face according to the statements. Like we can see, make a smiling face next to the groups of words that are sentences and sad face that are not. Simran made many. This is an incomplete sentence, so it will not be considered to be a sentence. So sad face will come. Number 2 is a sentence. Simran wore glasses. Smiling face will come. Number 3, Simran met a sad face. Who was Richa? This is a complete sentence, so smiling face will come. In on page 13 we have part J. There you have to rearrange the given jumbled words and you have to make a meaningful sentence here. This has been done for you. And in part K, this is an activity which you can follow. And in part L, we have listen to your teacher, read out the names of a few things, write them in the correct column. Like things you find in a classroom, whatever you find in the classroom, that you can write down in this column, and whatever things you find in a playground, those you can write in that column. So that's all for now. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.